Hey, we are Kula. We are the app to make an app. And we want to democratize mobile app development. We found out that mobile app development is just not accessible or affordable for small businesses. That's why we built Kula. And it's really straightforward. If you want to build an app, you enter your website, explain what kind of app you want to build, and Kula will show you what kind of app you can build. In his case, we saw that you want to build an app for your restaurant. You choose the template, you choose your own branding, and Kula will build that app inside of Kula, and you can try it out. And the cool thing is, you can easily add new features, you can easily add new content and new services. And a step-by-step guide provides you an easy way to get from the idea to the App Store.